This is an FKM digital AC clamp meter, a multimeter, something that you could use for work that you have to supply your own, or something around the house, checking an automobile or, power. Let's open it up, show you what it looks like inside the box. You get a nice case. It has a handle. Everything is well packaged. You get supplied 3 AAA batteries. We're going to show you how to put that in. You get the prongs. You get additional prongs, a user's manual, a precision flat screwdriver, package ammeter, voltmeter, multimeter, and alligator clip prongs. On the back of the unit is a plastic knob that you're simply going to unlock, lift up the door, polarity positive towards the bottom, place back on the door the same way you take it off. For further information about all the controls, please check the manual and online reference guides. We have the off button, C and F, ground and ohms, AC, and so forth. We have a select button, a REL button, and others. This has a light and a hold button, your common ground, negative, and your positive lead. This is the button that opens up the meter. You're given 3 feet of cable. They got plugs that you're going to pull out, store away in the bag that you're given of the case. And you're going to plug in positive for positive. And you have tips on the probes. Please try not to lose them because these probes are very sharp. And if you need to put on alligator clips to clip onto a cable, they simply snap into place like so. You may be wondering what this cable is. It is a temperature sensor that will plug into your unit when you put your unit on the CF to measure temperature. It works the same way as plugging in your cables firmly. It reads a temperature of 0016. If you can't see it, there is a light that you can look at it. If you need to change the Celsius to Fahrenheit, simply hold the select button down for a short press so we can show you. This is not meant to put in your mouth, but we're going to put a flame to it. Remember, the light will drain your battery, so don't keep it on 24/7. And here is a flame showing you how hot that unit can get. When it starts to cool down underneath 125, I'm able to touch it. If you shut the unit off, the light goes off, and when you turn it back on, the light will stay off until you hit the on again. I'm charging a battery. You can see the various voltages that are coming in. My hands will cover the glass. So what I will do is show you the voltage that it's charging and so forth and reading. If you're using the unit and you forget about the light will time off after a number of seconds. If I want to see if I have a ground, so I can measure shorts, this would ring if I was correctly set up and it shows 00. In order to hear it ring, you're going to hit the select. Now the beauty of this unit is, if you're in a dark place, if you long press this button, you have a flashlight on the front so you can see your cable. And you can press it again. I can't go over every single detail of the unit. It has a minimum and maximum hold of the voltage. You can go to your car and see if you got any voltage. You simply just put this over that cable and you can check the ohms, the resistance, and so forth. There's a lot this multimeter and meter, this unit can do for you. So what we're going to go do is go check out a car, see why I don't have any power to it. With the FKM meter, this is your AC and DC voltage, and your select button will go from AC to DC and automatic, and it's reading a inconsistent voltage here. So what I am going to do is start my car to see if I have any voltage on this particular unit. I'm getting a reading of 22.4. I am satisfied. My unit is working quite well. There is a hold button that you can just simply hold the measurement, 43.2. If I needed to go over the battery just to see, I can simply put it down and I press on the select button here because it says AC, automatic, and there is DC. And it's giving me an inconsistent reading right now until I go to my terminals. And I read 12.53. I am good. My battery is fine. Everything runs perfect. You're looking to hand one of these off as a gift, give to somebody for a present, a co-worker, an anniversary gift, or just having it around the house for automobile to your house wiring and so forth. This product by FKM may be right for you. It'll fit inside the area of the case nice and comfortable if you correctly put everything away. With the leads on and closed, it is very simple still to close the case and put anywhere you want in a nice storage area. I hope this product is something that you're looking for from FKM, a meter. Enjoy your product if it's right for you.